Well, we were able to review several products that looked at network visibility, and we're able to forge a relationship with one of the companies and ended up buying that product and have installed it, and it's very much served our needs.
One of the biggest takeaways from last year was, I think, exposure to just emerging technologies, looking at the things that are going on out there in industry and being cognizant of the changes that are taking place and how that then applies to my environment, since you kind of have to step away to really get some perspective on what's going on out there. As far as this coming year, I'm really looking forward to just maybe diving in a little more into security. Didn't have quite as many opportunities as I wanted last year just by time constraint to actually get into as many security sessions as I wanted to, but I'm hoping to do that this year.
I think at the last Interop, I really came away with understanding that mobility, software-defined networking, security, cloud, they're all integrated conversations. They're not necessarily individual specialties. What I'm hoping to get out of the next Interop is a continuation of that conversation of how do I make that story evolve into something that's tangible and pragmatic and that I can implement in my worlds.
I work in mobility, and what I'm really interested in is how mobility applies to all the other areas of IT. After all, it's not just about being mobile, it's about being mobile and productive. So that's what I look for from Interop.
One of the key takeaways I got was how much cloud is exploding. And we were able to attend a workshop where we actually had hands-on training in private clouds. And just super valuable. I actually learned quite a bit of information that I was able to take back and utilize for our deployment.
Every time I go to Interop, I just want to make sure I'm on the right path of technology, going down the right way of my peers.
For this upcoming one, I'm looking to gain a better understanding of security policies, procedures, things like PCI, how better to deal with things like encryption technologies and penetration tests, and just kind of keep all those organized for my business.
The fact that I get to meet vendors face-to-face to explain some of the challenges that we're experiencing and be able to have some takeaways so that I can provide those solutions either to my management team or to my customers.
The one key takeaway is sitting through both the private and hybrid cloud sessions and basically understanding a lot of the challenges or items I should be looking for as I deploy the cloud in my own company.
I think the biggest takeaway from the last Interop was the role that convergence is playing. As organizations are looking to cloud or cloud models, whether public or private, there's a lot of work on the integration side that has to be done between compute, storage, and networking, and that's a significant challenge.